This video will introduce you to a powerful feature in SAP known as user exits. SAP software is incredibly powerful and versatile. However, there are times when businesses need to tailor the software to meet their specific requirements. That's where user exits come in. Think of user exits as doorways within the SAP system that allow you to add your own custom code. This essay will break down what user exits are, why they are important, and how to use them effectively. Whether you're an IT professional or a business user, understanding user exits can help you unlock the full potential of your SAP system. Let's dive in. In simple terms, a user exit is a piece of code that SAP has left blank intentionally. This blank space or exit point allows you to insert your own custom logic without directly modifying the standard SAP code. This is crucial because it ensures that your customizations are protected even when you upgrade your SAP system. Imagine a train track with a designated siding. The train represents the standard SAP process, and the siding represents the user exit. You can temporarily divert the train, the process, onto the siding to perform your custom actions. Then the train continues on its intended path. User exits are necessary because they offer a controlled and upgrade-safe way to enhance your SAP system. Without user exits, you would have to modify the standard SAP code directly, which is highly discouraged and can cause issues during upgrades. By using user exits, you can meet unique business needs not addressed by standard SAP functionality, enforce specific validation rules or data checks, automate business processes and improve efficiency, and integrate your SAP system with other applications smoothly. User exits give you the flexibility to adapt SAP to your way of doing business, not the other way around. Implementing a user exit, a step-by-step guide. Implementing a user exit involves a few key steps. First, find the right user exit for your requirement. SAP provides documentation and transactions to help you locate appropriate exits. Next, write the ABAP code for your custom logic. This code should be well documented and thoroughly tested. Then, activate the user exit to make it active within your system. Finally, test the user exit to ensure it functions as expected and doesn't cause any unintended consequences. It's important to note that implementing user exits requires ABAP programming knowledge. Collaboration between functional consultants and ABAP developers is often necessary. Applications of user exits across different SAP modules. User exits can be found in various SAP modules, including validate invoice amounts, customize payment processes, or generate specific reports. Modify pricing procedures, add custom checks during order entry, or enhance delivery processing. Customize purchasing documents, influence inventory management processes, or create specific output. Tailor payroll calculations, implement custom time management rules, or adapt organizational structures. This is not an exhaustive list, and user exits can be found in many other areas of SAP. User exits in action real-world examples. Let's look at a couple of examples of how user exits are used in real-world scenarios. A company wants to prevent users from creating sales orders for a specific customer group if the order value exceeds a certain limit. They can achieve this using a user exit in the SD module to add a custom check during the order creation process. A business needs to calculate employee bonuses based on a complex formula that is not part of the standard SAP payroll system. They can use a user exit in the HR module to add this custom calculation to the payroll process. These examples demonstrate how user exits provide the flexibility to meet specific business requirements that go beyond standard SAP functionality.